In this video, I'll show you what to do. I'll show you a few solutions in case your Roku TV or Roku stick does not turn on. So the screen stays black, and even if you're trying to power on, nothing happens. So the first solution and the easiest one, so if you have a Roku TV, unplug it from the wall socket. And during the next 5 minutes, you should not plug it back. What you need to do during this time is to find the power button of your TV, and this depends on the model. This is Hisense here, and the power button is located right under here. You see there's a small circle. You see there's a small circle there? Well, that's the power button. I want you to press on this power button during 30 seconds. Do not release it. Even if the TV isn't plugged, keep press on that button. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Then take your remote control, remove the batteries, and with the remote control without batteries, press the power button during 30 seconds. Just stay like that, and after 30 seconds, release it. I also suggest you change the batteries with new ones. Okay, once you did all these steps, you can go back and plug your TV and try turning it on with the power button. If this worked, that's great. Your problem is solved. If not, if you're using a Roku stick and it's not a Roku TV, make sure that the USB plug of your Roku stick is not plugged into the USB port. Okay, this is not good. It needs to be plugged into a power supply, like this one. You see, USB. What you can try is, if you're plugged in one of these and it doesn't work, I suggest you try to replace this one with another one, because these tend to fail after a few years or even after a few months. This one comes from Amazon. It was actually came with my Fire Stick, and it works very well with my Roku. By the way, I'll put links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. Plug this directly into the wall socket. If you need, use an extension, since you may not have an outlet this close from your HDMI port. This is an extension. And try to not plug it into a power bar. Plug it directly into a wall socket, because again, this can cause a problem. So I hope this was helpful and you're now able to turn on your Roku TV. If you have other tricks that I have not discussed in this video, please type them in the comment section. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful. And if one of these worked, well, type a comment as well so I know. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.